Thank you, Santiago.
You know, we're birds of a feather, you and I.
I hate cliches.
Cliches are the worst.
Birds of a feather. This idiom describes people who are similar in character. People with similar tastes, interests, and backgrounds are referred to as birds of a feather.
You and I are birds of a feather.
Another idiom arising from this concept is birds of a feather flock together. People of the same sort, or with the same tastes and interests, will be found together.
It's said about people who have similar characters or interests, especially ones of which you disapprove, and who often spend time with each other. In a bar near my home, many drinkers gather every evening. As the saying goes, birds of a feather flock together.
You know what you are, Polly? You're my seeing eye parrot. You've been a dear friend to me, Polly. We're birds of a feather, you and I. Betwixt and between, that's us.
I want to do it. Let's draw straws.
Jack said we should work together.
Three of a kind.
Birds of a feather, now
and for...
Baloo, birds of a feather should flock together. You wouldn't marry a panther, would you?
Hello.
Birds of a feather flock together, so do pigs and swine. Rats and mice have their chance, as will I have mine.